Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and we are proceeding towards the next question of our PTE speaking exam, and it's describe the image. First, we need to understand what describe image is. पहले इस बात को समझने की जरूरत है कि describe image है क्या, and then we proceed further for the practice and to look at how it will look like on the software. PTE describe image, on an average there will be 6 questions in exam. Exam में 6 questions will be there and total 22 marks हैं जो इस question को on an aggregate दिए गए, and all 22 marks are belonging to or belong to the speaking exam. So exam में there will be 6 questions in total and all 6 questions contain 22 marks and all 22 marks go towards the speaking exam. अगर हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे PTE के इस स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन को, तो ग्रिड पे अगर हम इसको देखें तो ग्रिड पर if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, sixth highest mark question in PTE, sixth highest marks question of PTE is describe image. So this specific sixth number tells us that how important this specific question is. Kitna important hai. We need to understand now how it works and what it is. This is describe image, and I've told already 6 questions will be there. Speaking is the exam and the name of the question is describe image. We may be given, हमें दिया जा सकता है exam में एक graph. We may get a table, we may get a line chart, we may get a pie chart, we may get a raw diagram, we get a process diagram, we may get a life cycle, and we may be given a comparative analysis even. हमें कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पिक्चर इनमें से एग्जाम में दी जा सकती है. So out of 6 questions, one can even be a graph, one can even be a table, one can even be a pie chart, one can even be a comparative analysis, one may be a raw image. So इन सब में से कोई भी एग्जाम में ट्रायल हो सकता है. So in 6 questions, 6 का 6 question different भी हो सकते हैं, 2 questions एक जैसे भी हो सकते हैं, but these are what the maximum areas जिनमें से सवाल आ सकता है. How the exam work? First, we need to describe and explain what actually the image is, and 30 seconds का preparation time होगा, and then we will be starting our answer after the beep, and this will be of 40 seconds. So 30 seconds will be the preparation time, and after 30 seconds we will listen a beep and we are required to answer in the 40 seconds. Remember, some important things which are compulsory to understand for the better marks are, number 1, the content याद रखिएगा. उस पिक्चर के ऊपर लिखी हुई हर एक single चीज will be known as a content. Even एक single dot भी if there is on the picture, that will be known as a content. So now, in this way, if we go on the software and see that how the diagram look like or how the image look like, see this one. If we see this specific picture in front of us, it is a graph. Here is a word examination. This examination is known as a content. Evaluation word is a content. This by word is a content. I mean to say that these all legends are known as the content. It is what 2022 spring season customer data chart is the title of the diagram. This is our content. It is your y-axis, and this contains numbers 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. These all are the contents. 0 minimum, 40 maximum. These all are the contents. X-axis contains the months like January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. These all are the contents. These are the bars. These are the content. Like this purple color of the bar is a content. Orange color is a content. Blue color is a content. And you see here an orange color box. It is a content. You see here written www.ptestudy.net. It is a content. If we talk about the yellow color, this is a content. So each and everything what you can see on the picture is our content. How will you will answer? I will just explaining in a while. मैं थोड़ी देर में बता रहा हूँ कैसे इसको answer करना है. But these all what is mentioned on the picture are known as the content, and we have to sentence wise, हमें जब बोलना है sentences बनाने हैं तो we have to cover each and every specific word that is given on the picture. I mean to say every writing on the picture, sides of the picture, title of the picture, bottom of the picture, lines of the picture, colors of the picture, each and everything will be known as a content. And if we are not going to speak it completely, that means we are going to get lesser number in the contents. Number one. Number two, the second marking base is the pronunciation, the correct voice of the word. एक बात मेरी याद रखिएगा, आप अगर ओवर स्पीडिंग करेंगे तो कंटेंट को मिस प्रोनाउंसिएट करेंगे ड्यू टू द स्पीड, एंड वर्ड जब मुंह से गिरेगा तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन डैमेज होगी, कंटेंट भी गिर जाएगा. सो प्रोनाउंसिएशन मींस द करेक्ट वॉइस ऑफ द वर्ड. एंड रिमेंबर, इफ वी गेट अ वर्ड इन एग्जाम जिसकी हमें प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आती, प्लीज स्किप दैट वर्ड. अगर आप उस एक वर्ड को छोड़ देंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ वर्ड रिटन MUNICH एंड इट इज म्यूनिक, वी आर नॉट नोन टू द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड म्यूनिक, छोड़ दें इस वर्ड को. आप एक वर्ड छोड़ेंगे, व्हाट विल हैपन, मैक्सिमम यू विल गेट 1 mark lesser in the content, but you will be at 100% in your pronunciation because you have made no error. You will be at the 100% in your fluency if you will not stop on that specific word. So what is important? Pronunciation, correct voice of the words, and try. If some word is not clear, if you are not sure about the pronunciation of any specific word, you may skip it. मगर गलत नहीं बोलना है उसको. And third marking criteria in describe image is the fluency. Remember, fluency does not means to read with the speed. Fluency means you have to speak with the consistency without taking long pauses. Don't take a long pause. Yes, you can take a small pause. For an example, we take a pause on the full stop. We can take a pause on the commas. We can take a pause on the punctuation. But big pause means that when we start speaking and we struck on a place and we keep strucking for a second, that is known as a long pause. So long pause नहीं लेनी, लगातार बोलते रहना है. से मुराद ये है कि आपको ओवर स्पीड नहीं करना, 150 to 160 की स्पीड से हमें चलते रहना है, एंड हमें एक जगह पे स्ट्रक करके सोचना नहीं है. इट इज व्हाट नोन एज द कंसिस्टेंट फ्लुएंसी. So now 3 are the marking criteria: content, pronunciation, and fluency. I hope this will be clear now. And how to answer the question. One thing is known as the old version of the answer, and that old version work लोग जो थे वो use कर रहे थे templates. The picture is about, and the content word 1, and the picture is about content word 2, and the picture is about the content 3, the picture is about content 4. For an example, here it is. The picture is about spring season 2022 spring season customer data. The picture is about examination. The picture is about evaluation. The picture is about why, and this has become rubbish now because the 2024 November has now added a manual human examiner along with your speaking exam. And describe image or retell the lecture को फ्लैग कर देता है आपका सॉफ्टवेयर आर्टिफिशियल AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, अगर आप सेम ही कंटेंट रिपीट करना शुरू कर दें. द पिक्चर इज अबाउट, द पिक्चर इज अबाउट, द पिक्चर इज अबाउट. इफ यू आर रिपीटिंग फॉर मल्टीपल टाइम्स, 2-3 times लगातार, he is going to, or the software is going to flag your answer, and then the flagged answer will be viewed by the manual examiner. जब ह्यूमन एग्जामिनर उसको देखेगा आपको नंबर नहीं मिलने वाला. So try to understand, avoid these templates. इनका जमाना गुजर चुका है, अवॉइड कीजिएगा इसको. So do not follow. अगर आप इसको फॉलो करते हैं, get ready for anything lesser than 50 marks. I'm telling you. What is the right way then? We can make it better. For an example, the picture is about, it is what content word 1, content word 2. This the picture is also about, here is the word picture is missing. The picture is also about. The picture is also about. The picture is also about content word 3, content word 4. The picture also explains content number 5, content 6. I can also see, और बाकी सारे content words को आप एक साथ बोल सकते हैं without bothering yourself. For an example, the picture is about and content word 1, content word 2. The picture is also about content word 3, content word 4. The picture also explains content 5, content 6. I can also see all relevant contents you can work on. Okay. But if you are a strong speaker, what should I do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? This is important. And now say, हमें पिक्चर को 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर देना चाहिए. नंबर 1 टाइटल, जैसे मैं डिस्क्राइब इमेज में करता था. नंबर 1 टाइटल, Number 2 is explanation, and number 3 हम बना देंगे. Number 2 is explanation, and number 3 is known as the conclusion. So what I should do, हमें start करना. Every picture normally contains a title. 99.9% cases में title साथ होता है. तो हम सबसे पहले बोलते हैं the picture is relating to, and then title आ गया यहाँ पे. It is 2022 spring season customer data chart. अब आते हैं explanation पे. The picture is about this one. And then the picture explains information relating to examination, evaluation, and buy. On y-axis, values are given which are 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. 40 as maximum, 0 as minimum. X-axis contains the months like January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. The picture contains the multiple color bars, purple, orange, and blue. I can also see www.ptestudy.net. Overall, the picture is very informative. वक्त बचता है तो it is fine, नहीं बचता तो इस sentence को आप अपनी fluency की तसल्ली के लिए, अपनी fluency के marks को assure करने के लिए, अपनी pronunciation के marks को assure करने के लिए तो शायद बोल सकते हैं. Content में इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. तो कोशिश कीजिए कि हम अगर इस पिक्चर को डिवाइड कर सके 3 हिस्सों में, टाइटल, एक्सप्लेनेशन और कंक्लूजन, तो सबसे अच्छा होगा. आई मीन द पिक्चर इज अबाउट दिस वन. The picture contains information relating to this one, this one, this one, this one is this one, this one, this one, and then the colors, and this one. In conclusion, the picture is very informative, and yes, these 3 steps can be very helpful. आपको किसी टेम्पलेट को याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So the picture is about title. The picture contains the information about legends भी आ गए, x-axis भी आ गए, y-axis भी आ गया, bars भी आ गया, colors भी आ गया. I can also see conclusion, and that is what उसमें अगर कोई 2-3-4 words रह गए हैं. Overall the picture is very informative. बोलना है fine, नहीं बोलना तो भी ठीक है. बोलेंगे तो fluency भी जरा impact बेहतर हो जाएगा. नहीं बोलेंगे टाइम नहीं छोड़ना. It is what the correct way of handling a question. So अगर आप टेम्पलेट पे चलते हैं और टेम्पलेट को ही फॉलो करना है तो फिर टेम्पलेट में आपको कीवर्ड एक नहीं, अपने हर स्पेसिफिक सेंटेंस या टेम्पलेट सेंटेंस के साथ 2-2 कीवर्ड्स को बोलना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, द पिक्चर इज अबाउट दिस वन. द पिक्चर इज आल्सो अबाउट दिस वन एंड दिस वन. पिक्चर कंटेन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस वन. I can also see this one, there are this one. तो आपको मल्टीपल जगहों पे अपना टेम्पलेट चेंज करने से बेहतर है कि आप उसको 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर लें. The picture is about title. The picture contains the information about this one, this one, this one. On x-axis, y-axis, this one. On y-axis, this one. I can see the bars on this one. So there's no need to use the picture is about, the picture is about, the picture is about, the picture is about. What is the reason? Because this is not the time to, in fact, put yourself in front of a human examiner for your evaluation, and that will be a big risk for us because human examiner will definitely be evaluating on the grounds of grammar, on the grounds of your tenses, on the grounds of your oral sentence structure. So better to avoid that human examiner and try to work on more rational grounds. Avoid the templates. Try to act like a wiser student. Title को introduction के तौर पे इस्तेमाल करें. The picture is about, बोले इसका title. The picture contains the information about और बाकी सारी information को add up कर दें. I can also see, and in conclusion, the picture is very good. अगर बोलना चाहें तो it's absolutely good. So I'm going to demonstrate one in front of you. I hope this will be helpful. So अब देखिए मैंने इसको retrack किया. हमारे सामने ये picture जो है अब वो दोबारा चलेगी. इसके ऊपर अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे तो टाइम काउंटडाउन शुरू हो गया है. सो इट इज 20 सेकंड. यहाँ पे जाके आपने बहुत गौर से देखना और इस स्पेसिफिक टाइम के अंदर आपने पिक्चर के ऊपर दिए हुए सारे वर्ड्स को कम से कम 2-2 बार रिवाइज कर लेना है ताकि अगर कोई मुश्किल वर्ड है तो आपको फ्लुएंसी को डिस्टर्ब ना करे. सो आई विल बी एक्टिंग लाइक अ स्टूडेंट जो भी तैयारी कर रहा है. The picture is about 2022 spring season customer data chart. The picture contains the information about the examination, evaluation, and buy. On y-axis, values are given like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 as maximum, 0 as minimum. X-axis contains the months like January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. I can see the bars of multiple colors like yellow, orange, purple, and blue. I can also see www.ptestudy.net. Overall, the picture is very informative. So we have completed our answer with the minimum hassle of the template. Minimum hassle of the template means हमने किसी template को follow नहीं किया. And see what the results come. And now see, it is what the prompt we have designed, what we all spoke that is in front of us. And then there is no bad word. There are two, three average words. I'm telling you, when a student effort and effort, so he can make a bit problem. He can make some of the errors, which will improve with the passage of time. So now our speed was of 169 words per minute, which is a bit more fast. Thoda tez hai. And we have taken short pause 14. One long pause was there. We have got 83 out of 90, 100% in the pronunciation, 100% in the fluency, and 4 marks in the content. Okay. So now we are going to reattempt it in a more better way. And then मैं आपको ये भी समझाऊंगा कि जिनके नंबर्स नहीं आते वो क्या एरर कर रहे होते हैं. Okay. So अब हम इसको पहले एरर के साथ चलते हैं. The common error student make on describe images, they try to overspeed and they try to use the template like the picture is about, the picture is about, and picture is about, and over speeding say they make the pronunciation of the words bad. वो over speeding जो around 180 words per minute के लिहाज से चल रहे होते हैं fluency में, उसकी वजह से pronunciation errors बढ़ जाते हैं और marks overall नीचे गिर जाते हैं. So that happens in this way. So I'm going to skip the time and I'm going to repeat it with effort of over speeding. The picture is about 2022 spring season customer data. The picture is about examination, evaluation, buy. The picture is about the y-axis 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. The picture is about January, February, March, April, May, June, July. The picture is about the bars, purple, orange, yellow, blue. The picture is about www.ptestudy.net. Overall, the picture is very informative. What happened? We have completed the whole scenario. We have completed each and everything of the content. And now we are going to evaluate and check the result. So now we did only one thing, that we have tried to enhance the speed and somebody have told us ये fluency होती है, जो कि नहीं होती actually. So now it is the result. See that how much shrinked is now the prompt. It was at the 8 lines. Now it is on the 4 lines. Number 2, 217 words per minute. Look at the score. It is content 1, it is pronunciation 2, and did you describe the image? And then it is 3 out of 5 in the fluency. It is 31 out of 90. It is a common error that people say that, sir, हमने तो पूरा सवाल किया था. We performed everything, but we could not get the number. What I told you, what is the best way is to make the introduction, explanation, and conclusion of the picture. And please do not use the template. Yes, start करें. The image is about, or the picture is about, title बोलें. है ना जी, and the picture contains the information about, and then complete the whole one at the end, say that I can also see overall the picture is very है ना informative. So I'm going to repeat it in front of you once again so that you people could make a better image of it. The picture is about 2022 spring season customer data chart. The picture contains the information about the examination, evaluation, and by. Y-axis contains the values 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 as maximum and 0 as minimum. X-axis contains the months like January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. There are bars of multiple colors like purple, orange, yellow, and blue. I can also see www.ptestudy.net. The overall picture is very informative. So now we check the score. It is what the right way of making a question. So now we have completed, and now see 156 for the fluency speed, and we are 86 out of 90, and it is 5, 5, and 4. Content may 1 is lesser. This may be because of a few yellow words. This may be because of some word we are missing on it, but it is what the overall right scheme of answering the question and handling the question in the best way. Now, if we are done with this one, remember there's a very tough question of the raw image and the table as well. In tomorrow's lecture, we will be covering that specific area as well, the table and the raw image, inshallah.